Hello everyone, I'm back with another art tutorial and today we'll be doing an aesthetic seascape. Press down the tapes to the surface for cleaner edges. For the sky, we are beginning with a bluish grey shade, which we made by mixing white, black and Prussian blue. Take a good amount of white, some black and then some blue. The blue that I used in this shade was Prussian blue. Below the greyish blue shade, I'm using poster red. Then clean your brush, take some of the grey paint from the earlier shade and paint with it on the top of the border. As you can see, the two colors are slightly blending now because of the paint coats. Then I cleaned my brush and once again took some crimson on my brush and I'm blending from bottom to top. The brush does not have to be very wet, just moist enough to do some smooth, lightweight strokes on the border of the two shades. Next, I mixed some crimson to orange to make a bright red kind of shade, and I'm using it at the center of the red area. This area has to be brighter since we will be painting the sun over here. Then I'm using a mop brush for the blending with very light strokes, blending the reddish and the greyish area and then brushing over the border of this orangish red and the crimson in the base. You can also add some strokes at the greyish layer to add some sunset-like feels. And if you press down hard on the paper, as you can see, the red color lifts off and emerges the grey from the base. After it dries up, for the clouds, I'm using a light shade, which is a mixture of the previous orangish red shade and some white. I'm adding very tiny details for the clouds using a size 0 detail brush. For thinner strokes, I use my brush with very light pressure on my hand, and clouds are made best in this manner when you're using a detail brush. Next, I'm using white for the sun. We are painting a semicircle with white. Then with the grey shade which we had used for the sky, I'm adding some strokes on the red area. Once again using a detail brush. After you've added the strokes, brush over it using a wet brush to blend it with the red in the base. And for the sea, once again for the base, I'm using the greyish blue which we had used for the sky. I mixed a tiny amount of black to the previous shade to make it a little darker, and I'm using it from the edges to give a darker shade. And I'm using the dry brushing technique, that is not much of water. The top border has to be a little darker, so I had blended some black into it using a flat brush. After all this dries up, I'm once again using a size 0 detail brush to add the waves. I'm using black in very tiny light strokes so that it gives us very minute thin strokes. Make sure you do not put a lot of pressure on your hand. Cover the whole area with such minute strokes. The borders and the lower side of the sea has to be a little darker, so I'm adding more black strokes there. Now I'm using a mediocre shade which I made by mixing a tiny amount of black to the grey which we used for the base, and similar strokes using red paint for the reflections from the sky, and a lighter shade which was the mixture of orange and red. Now here we are painting a silhouette of a bridge using black paint. Peel the masking tape off after your painting has dried up. Here you are with your aesthetic seascape painting. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, if you recreate this, you can send it to me on my Instagram handle, link for which is given in the description. Thank you for watching.